We're happy today that we're finally getting to lay some floor down. It's a long day, we're tired, and we think our day's over, but nope, we have a surprise waiting for us at the end of the day. What are you building, honey bunny?
Starting the next row. Here, we do an 8-footer and a 4-footer, that way the lines in the middle don't meet.
Okay, we figured out a new way for me to do this, and it's working good because I mark there, and then I just use it to make my here to put my nails. We had a uh-oh on this piece down here on the end. Robert said something about leaving it open. Well, I didn't know what that meant, so I went ahead and put 5 nails in it. What he meant was, don't nail this down. Uh-oh.
Where's your feet? Is it going?
I think so, yeah. I always wanted one new house before I died. I just didn't think I'd be building it myself. End of the day and we're tired and putting things away when we get a phone call that our hay is ready. So off we go. It's forecast that we might get some rain, so we don't want to leave it sitting in the field until in the morning. Ivy's getting hay with us too. It's a couple miles down the road where we go to get our hay, and when we come back home, there has been rain, even though we didn't get rained on out in the hay field. Some of those bales were so heavy I was having to drag them across the field. I couldn't pick them up, so we were grateful to see Devin show up and help Rob get the trailer loaded.
Brace it there for a minute.